Hello students, welcome to the EVS online class. In our previous class we have learned about types of soil. Today we will learn about importance of soil. Children, all of you know that soil is very important in various ways. Soil supports life and forms the basis of life in many ways. Soil acts as a medium for plant growth. Plant get the nutrients from the soil, it grows and ultimately develop into a full-grown plant. When the seed germinates, it gets the nutrient from the soil and ultimately grows. We all get the food from the soil. So, plants are the sources of food and energy for the biotic environment. Here, soil provides the necessary conditions to the seed so that it can germinate and ultimately grows into a plant. Thus, it helps in cycling the materials in nature. The oxygen contained in soil is absorbed by plant roots. Thus, the soil helps in the plant growth. Here you see in this picture you can see this brown structure, it indicates the soil particle, where the white structure, these are this one and another is this one. So this indicates the mineral particles. Okay, the blue color area, it indicates the water which is present in the soil, whereas the green portions are representing the organic matter. Besides this, here you can also see that there are some blank part is there. This blank part actually the air which is present in the soil. So we can say that soil provides oxygen in the form which is present in the air, water and minerals to the plant. This soil helps in the encourage of plant roots and helps in the cycling of different substances. Soil also acts as a habitat of organisms. It is the habitat of both macro and microorganisms. Various types of animals like insects, worms, reptiles, amphibians, rodents, burrowing animals, even some types of birds also live in soil. Various microorganisms like minute algae, protozoan, bacteria, fungi, they are also present in the soil. Some microorganisms like bacteria and fungi decompose the dead body parts of the plants and the animals. So they are also present in the soil. So in that way they increase the soil fertility. Children, all of you know that in the air nitrogen gas is present. Air is present in the soil also. This nitrogen can be fixed by some bacteria which is known as rhizobium bacteria, and the process is known as nitrogen fixation. Soil acts as a facilitator for percolation of water. When rain falls or when water flows on soil surface, it slowly enters into the soil through spaces found in the soil. The size of spaces between the soil particles depends upon the texture or general makeup of the soil. So, during the precipitation and infiltration, this water enters inside the soil and it can raise the water table. Students, now we will discuss about the percolation of water. See, there are many gaps between the soil particles. Through this gap, water enters into the soil due to gravitational attraction of the earth. This water is retained in the broad spaces found in the soil and is known as gravitation water or gravitational water. Most of the water on land surface is absorbed by soil through minute tubes formed by joining of different spaces left among soil particles. Those minute tubes are called as capillaries, and water entering into the soil is known as capillary water. Children, now see, these are the soil particles, and surrounding each soil particle you can see the film of water is present. This water is known as capillary water. Actually, this capillary water is used by the plant. Plant can absorb these capillary water by their root. So these capillary water is also known as available water for the plant. Through the gap of the soil, some amount of water drains down due to the gravitational force. This water is known as gravitational water. Now we will discuss about that how soil acts as a facilitator for water retention. Soil has the capacity of keeping water inside it. This property of soil is known as water retention or the water holding capacity. The water holding capacity of a particular type of soil depends upon its structure. The structure of soil depends upon the size of its particle. The size of particles determines the size of empty spaces left in the soil. Now children, see, in this picture the size of the soil particle is more larger in compared to the other two figure. So here also you can see that is the gap between the soil particle is more. Okay, so through this gap the water can percolate in the high speed, whereas in the middle picture you can see that the size of the particle is smaller than the one, and the space is also small in compared to the first figure. So here the water percolates in the moderate speed, whereas in this picture what you can see, that is the soil particles are very compactly arranged and the gap between the soil particle is very less. So water can percolate through this gap in a slow rate. So what we can say? We can say that this soil has much more water retention capacity or water holding capacity. Now, the water retained by soil is utilized by plants. Some part of that water gets evaporated when sun rays fall directly on land surface or when the soil is heated by high temperature. That water vapor escapes into the atmosphere and helps in its temperature regulation. So children, this is about the importance of soil. Now it is the time to recapitulate that what we have learned today. Today we have learned that soil is very important. It supports life and form the basis of life in the different ways. First of all, soil acts as a medium for plant growth. It acts as a habitat of different types of organisms. Soil acts as a facilitator for percolation of water and also as a facilitator for water retention. So children, you have to read the topic from your book, and this is your homework which you have to do in your EVS copy and then submit in the Google Classroom assignment section. The first question is, how does soil act as a medium for plant growth? Question number 2 is, what is capillary water? And question number 3 is, what is gravitation water? So children, today this much. Thank you all. Stay safe and happy.